Hi, I'm Katie, and welcome to Reddit Wednesday, the place where you'll discover answers to some of the most challenging, odd, and just because questions asked on Reddit. And because skincare is my passion, I'm going to give you the ins and outs on choosing the best skincare for your skin type. So thanks for joining me. Today's question comes from Throwaway3288263, and they ask, is it okay to use baking soda on my skin? The answer to that is no. Reason being is because healthy skin has a protective barrier or acid mantle and is naturally acidic. Using baking soda or sodium bicarbonate like this disrupts the skin's natural barrier, stripping the skin of its natural oils while also lowering skin's pH. Another critical point to keep in mind about using baking soda on the skin is its alkalinity. The alkalinity of baking soda kills healthy skin bacteria. Yes, there is a such thing as healthy skin bacteria. And this leads to infection and acne, two things that you do not want. Baking soda is also very drying or gritty, and it's abrasive. Using this on the skin, especially rubbing it on the skin, creates micro tears in the dermis or the skin's top layer. This too leads to infection, inflammation, and acne. I don't know if you've ever taken baking soda. I have a glass here with my lovely spoon and some baking soda. Most people take maybe a scoop of baking soda. They apply it to the water and they make a paste. For me, it's going to take 2 scoops. And they make a paste. And but what most people don't realize is when you take baking soda and you have that and you rub it in your hands, you can even hear the grittiness of the baking soda. And you see how it feels on your hands. Think about applying that to your skin, to the delicate skin on your face. It's not something that you want to do because, as I stated before, it creates micro tears in the skin and it causes the skin to have to work harder to repair itself. And if your skin is not broken, then don't break it. It's very critical that we keep our skin healthy. And to keep the skin healthy, that means not applying anything that's going to disrupt the skin's natural process. And baking soda is one of those things. So no, you do not want to apply baking soda to your skin. So the question is, what can you use instead if you're trying to get that glow or that smooth skin? If you're someone that's dealing with rough or dry or dull skin, what can you use to get that glow that you see in the magazines or that you see, even some other women wearing? What can you do to get that glow? Well, you can use a topical exfoliant such as an AHA, an alpha hydroxy acid like glycolic acid, or a BHA, a beta hydroxy acid such as salicylic acid. Now, these two products, if you have never heard of them before, are leave-on topical exfoliants, meaning you put them on your skin and you don't rinse them off. That's another bonus point when you're using topical exfoliants rather than scrubs like a baking soda scrub or other types of scrubs out there in the market, is that you rinse them off so they don't stay on the skin long enough to penetrate the skin, meaning they don't stay on there long enough to do their job. With a leave-on AHA or a BHA, such as this one by Paula's Choice. I don't know if you can see it, but I love it. I use it. I've been using this product for years and my skin is phenomenal. This is a leave-on gel exfoliant by Paula's Choice. It's amazing. The pH is perfect. I think it's around 3.5 or so. It's perfect and it does an amazing job. And I also love this one by Happy Face Beauty. It's called the Happy Acids. I believe this one has a pH of 4. This is a liquid and it works amazing. Now, this is a BHA and this is an AHA. I use both because BHAs are great for those of us with oily combination skin like myself. It works great for acne, breakouts. It gets underneath the skin and it can penetrate the pore lining, unlike in AHA. BHAs are oil soluble, so they can penetrate the pore lining and they can clean out the oil, the trapped oil and dirt trapped in the pore. AHAs are great for those of us that are dealing with premature wrinkles, photo damage, all of that stuff. Both of these are phenomenal products. You can use them interchangeably. They do an amazing, amazing job. And I believe Paula's Choice, if you want to get this one, it's paulaschoice.com. And this one is our happyface.com. This one is $10 on Happy Face. It's $10 and it's fragrance free. This one is also fragrance free. I don't remember the price of this one, but it's very affordable. So really, really take those two products into consideration, or any other topical leave-on exfoliant into consideration. Just be sure that it's fragrance free, alcohol free. It does not contain essential oils. All of those are crucial irritants to the skin, and they can damage healthy skin. So you want to steer clear of the fragrance, essential oils, alcohol, witch hazel, all of that stuff. It's important to steer clear of that if you want to keep healthy skin. So when it comes to baking soda, sadly, it's a no, but get some when you buy some. It works great for cleaning, but not for cleaning or scrubbing the face. So thank you all for joining me. I hope that you have found this information useful. And please subscribe. I'm going to be bringing a lot more valuable information, and I know you're going to love it. So once again, thank you for joining me here on Reddit Wednesday, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.